Okay, I'm just about to unbox this Boya microphone. This is Boya multi-compatible 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system. Boya Link. Is a professional audio solution for content creators. I'm about to unbox this beautiful device. As you can see, it has three different adapter. It's a mono stereo output. It can go 100 meters wireless transmission. Yeah, and it has a lot of features that you will love to hear and see. Okay, so let's unbox it together. Join me as we unbox this together. Okay. Let's see what we have here. What do we have here? Okay, this is a bag, portable bag where you can put the Boya mic. Okay, this is the Boya mic itself. So this is the Boya mic. Okay, so to open this, we press this and you open it. Okay, this is the Boya. This box is is a chargeable box. When you use the mic, you put it back, it charges the mic. So these are the mic, this one and this one. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. That's two mic. Wow. Okay. So this one can be used for camera. Can be used for camera. You plug this one into the camera. That is for camera. Then this one is for and this one is for the phone. Type C. I'm already plugging it to see how it works. So, okay, let me see the difference now. How it works. Let me see. I just want to know the difference in the sound. So, by the time I post this video, I've already inserted it on the phone and I'm using the mic now. So, I will see the difference. All right, hello everybody. Just testing my new mic, testing my new mic to see the difference. You see, I inserted it here. Then I have the receiver on Type C. I put the Type C on the receiver and it's on my phone. Okay, look at it now. Look at it. This is the Type C. I already put it on this receiver. This is the receiver. This is the receiver. So when you want to use the this one is for, you want to use the Type C, the iPhone, the one for iPhone, all you need to do is to press it, and you push this one out. Push it out like this. Push it out, you press this and you push this one. When you press it, it will be free. You will be able to remove it. I can't just do it now because I'm using one hand to video it. So when you press it out like this, you will gently remove this and put another one. Then if you want to use use the one for camcorder, for video camera, this is the one you use. You remove it and you insert this one. But this one is for Type C. This is the one I plug on my phone. and you press this power button. Press this power button. Once you press it, the light will be on. See, the green light is on. You press it, it goes off. Press it to go off. So that's it. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this channel. I'll be sending more reviews of gadgets as time permits me. This device is actually very good and it's nice for content creators. If you are a content creator, go for Boya mic. It's actually the best so far. It's compatible. One beautiful thing about it is that it's compatible for Android phones Type C specifically, and it's also compatible for iPhone, iOS users can use it. Then it's also compatible for video camera camcorders. Video cameras can use it also.